Hello my friends, welcome you back again our another video. Friends, as you have promised already last time, we will upload how to you can delegate your coin and get profit from there. Let's go. Today we are going to share with you how to delegate your coin. First, what you have to do, you have to open your MetaMask wallet and go to the browser section. Go to the browser section and copy this website stack.coredao.org. Then open it on your MetaMask wallet. You can see here there are total 21 validator. You can see here now validator node providers. You can see total deposit of coin and commission and APR. APR means annual percentage rate. You can see validator name one by one, node providers, second positron, DAO validator 11, UP unparalleled, Wolf Edge Labs, Everstack, INF Stones, Ardennes, DAO validator 9, DAO validator 14, DAO validator 7, DAO validator 13, DAO validator 8, DAO validator 1, DAO validator 12, 5, 2, 4, 6, 10, and last one you can see here inactive. So never delegate your coin with inactive validator, then you will never get any stacking reward. You have to use always active. Okay, and one more thing friends, if you are wanna delegate your coin, you have to at least one coin to delegate your coin. So you have to your wallet at least one coin before you are going to delegate. So 1 minute, we are getting from many experienced person and we have also checked it. So we have to choose always highest APR, lowest commission. We have to choose always APR will be high and commission will be low. Then you can check and then you will get reward too much. Anyway, actually I have no coin currently. I have already I am uploading from my friend's mobile. So currently I am using my friend's mobile. He have only 5 coin and I will deposit only 5 coin. I can explain you more if you can wait till May 15. Later I have sufficient coin to check once every validator which are best for us. Anyway, you can check also if you have single coin, if you have 1 coin or 2, 3 coin, 4, 5 coin, then you can check also one by one you can deposit your coin and you will understand which validator are best for you. So now I am going to deposit 5 coin, 5 different validator. Now I am going to DAO validator 5. I am going to deposit on DAO validator 5. You have to touch there. Sorry, I think we have to connect our MetaMask wallet. You have to go 3 dot section and click on connect wallet. You have to click here connect wallet. You can see here core miner already connected. Now it's opening. Okay, you can see here total deposit, how much percent deposit, how much percent delegate. You can see here commission 5%, APR 112. That's what you have to do. You have to click on delegate section. You can see here delegate, click on there. 1 minute, you can see here. Thereafter what you have to do, you have to click on confirm and you have to wait here. If you did already test transaction, then you had understand it better. Anyway, no worry, we will guide here. You can check here, close. are going to deposit on another DAO validator 2, and again going to delegate, confirm. Now I am going to deposit on another validator. 1 minute. DAO validator 4. Confirm. You can see here my coin are decreased already because I have already deposited on 3 coin. Let me go back. I am delegating because here I am seeing FPR percentage very high and commission low. But one thing more friend, when you will delegate on first time, you can claim your coin after 48 hours. Thereafter you can claim your coin every 24 hours. You can see here my balance currently is 0 coin because I have deposited already. You can check here, you have to go 3 dots and check on my stacking. Here you can see here total deposit 5 coin. You can see here DAO validator. If you have percentage rewards, I have not get it because I will get it on 48 hours after. Okay my friend, so I will try my best for you always, and don't worry for price. As you know, every crypto have pump and dump, so no worry for price. Okay my friends, and if you have anything question, contact our Telegram channel. Here is our Telegram channel. Thank you friend, and thanks for your patience. Don't forget like, subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you friend, have a great day.